In this tutorial, I'm in Business Central. I'm going to change my settings and I'm going to go from the company called tutorial to right size demo. I'm going to change my role, which is going to be to a shipping and warehouse manager. We are currently working on some transactions that may need to go back 30 days. My region here, I'm going to New Zealand instead of Australia. My language, New Zealand, and time zone, which would be New Zealand Standard Time. So all of these changes have effectively allowed me to flick between companies, to change back my work date, change my region, hit OK, and the system will now reload based on those settings for my user profile. That's the end of the demo. Thank you.